But the big strong engine is not at all interested in helping the little train.
What? I pull you? I only carry things that are important, like cars and lumber. Please move, you're taking up a lot of space. Toys aren't important enough for freight trains.
Can't you see that I'm important and I only carry freight? I only carry heavy things that have a lot of weight. I never carry little things like boxes full of toys. That's not my business anyhow, those little girls and boys. Can't you see that I'm important and I only carry freight? I only carry heavy things that have a lot of weight. I never carry little things like boxes full of toys. That's not my business anyhow, those little girls and boys. And the big strong engine puffs off importantly down the track. Now the toys are really sad and discouraged. And to think I used to like freight trains. Oh dear. We're still stuck and we won't get over the mountain. I think I'm going to cry. Oh, cheer up. Maybe someone will come along and help us. Here comes another train now.